Don't you just love when you go to a big barbecue and there's this huge bowl of salsa, fresh salsa? Delicious. I've got a few tricks I want to show you today. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. J. I am passionate about food, and I also believe that food is healing for the body, mind, and soul. That's why I like to share with you my recipes that are home created in this kitchen with great ingredients. If this sounds interesting to you, please like and subscribe. Let's get cooking. Today we're going to make a grilled pineapple salsa. This is so amazing and it's so simple. So I've got one lime, just going to cut it in half. The secret is with this is grilling everything. It just gives it that extra like sweetness and you get that char. Yum. Okay, I have half an onion. That's going to go on the grill as well just to get a char. This is a red jalapeno. This is what they had in my store. You could use a regular jalapeno. You could also use a Fresno chili. I just buy what's available to me. So I'm going to cut this. I'm going to take the little stem off. I'm going to cut it in half. You could take the seeds out because that's where all the heat lives, or you can leave them in. I think we're going to leave them in. Eric and I like things a little spicy. I'm also going to give you a secret too. Like one thing that I'll do is once this is actually grilled a little bit, I'm going to taste a little bit before I put it in my salsa because sometimes they're hot, sometimes they're not, right? I don't know if you've ever noticed that with chilies before. Always taste them because I made a mistake back in the day making a salsa and I just threw it all in there. Oh my goodness. It was atomic hot. Honestly, I like hot stuff. It was too hot for me to eat. So like lesson learned, always taste. I have a little bit over a pound of tomatoes. Any kind of tomatoes will work on this. A little bit bigger because they're going to go on the grill, so aromas would be fine. Again, this is what they had organic in our store, so they're already washed, cleaned, and I'm just going to cut them in half. And again, I'm not trying to cook them. We're just trying to get that cha flavor, which is so good. And it's just different, right? That's what we want. This, I promise, will be a star at any party that you go to. Okay. My grill is already heated up. I just got to oil it up and we're going to get these on and we're going to have salsa. Okay, so my grill is all cleaned off, but I want to create a nonstick surface. I've got a lot of paper towels here. I've got some oil. This is avocado oil. And I'm just going to put it on. And each time I do this, it just kind of helps to create this nonstick surface. Okay, time to get everything on. I'm just going to put these on face down, just like that. And again, we're not looking really to cook. We're just looking to get a nice cha, which will just take a few minutes. Okay, be careful to make sure your chilies go on the side there so you don't lose them through the grates. Okay, onion, and then pineapple, of course. With your lime, you just want to get the cha marks on there and get it off. That's it. All right, leave these just for a minute or two. Okay, so we got a little char going on everything. We're going to get this off. We're going to let it cool for just a few minutes, and then we're going to get it in our food processor, and we're going to have salsa. Amazing. Okay, so we've got all our grilled fruits, veggies, right? They're just going to go right into the food processor, just like this. Oh, and I did taste the jalapeno. Woo, it's hot. We're going to use just half of that. If you're braver than me, you go for it. But that's definitely taste them. Because I've had some that taste just like a green bell pepper. Crazy. And others that are like this one that are really hot. Okay. Pineapple's going to go in. I love pineapple anyway, but grilled, it just gives it an extra, I don't know, zip to it. It's really good too if you grill it and then serve it with some vanilla ice cream. Really good. Onion going to go in there too. I'm going to start and just process this too to kind of like get it to go down a little bit. Okay, got a clove of garlic. That's going in as well. And this is a trick I learned. Take your limes and just kind of put it between the shaft like this and just give it a good squeeze. Get all the juice just like that. Excellent. There's one. And there's two. Obviously, if you have a juicer, that would be fine too. Okay, I'm going to throw in half of the chili, and I've got a bunch of cilantro. Pinch of salt. It always makes everything a little bit better. And I'll have all the exact measurements below in the description for you. All right, going to whiz this all up. Okay, we're going to get this plated up with some chips, and we're going to have salsa. We're going to taste it for you. That's simple. What do you think?
I am excited.
I know.
Because I've had this before, y'all.
Yes.
I've had the grilled salsa. I've had the pineapple salsa. And now they're both together.
I know.
I'm excited.
Right? Me too. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this, probably take a small, I think I'm just going to break it in half. You going to go right in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we got the red jalapeno in there.
Yeah, I want to get some of that.
We've got the charred pineapple, the lime, right? The tomatoes, cilantro. Yum. That was so good.
Oh, there it is.
That's so good. I'm so glad I tasted that before because I'm telling you, whoo, it just got me.
No, it's good though.
Delicious.
It's not, I mean, it would have been crazy probably with
if I used the whole one.
both of them in there.
Absolutely delicious.
Oh,
so I am
fresh.
I am going to make some street tacos later. This is going to go on those. Delicious. So this is great. Bring it to a party. Use it on tacos. Use it on eggs in the morning.
Eat it with a spoon.
Eat it with a spoon. Why not?
Oh,
anyways, that is so good. Okay, listen, it was so easy. I'll have all the ingredients and the amounts below. And
I'm going to keep going.
Okay, keep going.
Yeah.
He's enjoying it, and I'm going to enjoy some too in just a minute. Listen, I hope you all like these recipes. If you do, please share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed, please do that as well. Like the video, hit that bell. That way you know when our next video is coming out. All right, we love you all.